Beneath the soft, neutral glow of the indoor studio, the futuristic three-wheeled camper tricycle stands as a striking fusion of engineering precision and modern design aesthetics. Painted in a vivid, high-gloss yellow that catches the light with a lively energy, the upper body exudes confidence and playfulness. Below, smooth silver accents wrap around the lower panels, adding balance and sophistication to the boldness of the main color. Together, they create a two-tone palette that feels both fresh and timeless, appealing to adventurous spirits who crave individuality on the road. The body of the tricycle is aerodynamically sculpted, each curve designed with purpose. The rounded nose tapers gently toward the front wheels, reducing drag and enhancing its sleek silhouette. Small yet stylish alloy wheels support the vehicle, their geometric patterns catching subtle reflections from the studio lights. These wheels are not just functional, they are visual punctuation marks that complete the overall modern composition. Its compact dimensions do not betray its purpose. From a distance, it may resemble a micro RV merged with an electric trike, but up close, the details tell a more refined story. The cabin is framed by large, curved windows that arc gracefully along the sides, offering panoramic views and flooding the interior with natural light during the day. At the side, a sliding glass door glides effortlessly along its track, currently open to invite viewers into its intimate yet highly functional living space. Inside, the tone shifts from futuristic minimalism to inviting comfort. The warm glow of ambient lighting fills the space, highlighting the natural grain of the wooden surfaces. The floor and walls are clad in smooth, honey-toned wood panels, their organic texture contrasting with the clean, modern exterior. Every corner of the interior has been designed for efficiency without sacrificing atmosphere. A compact seating area sits against one wall, upholstered in soft, neutral fabric that blends seamlessly with the warm wood surroundings. The arrangement offers enough room for relaxing, dining, or even working on the go. Cleverly integrated storage compartments maintain the clean lines of the space, ensuring that no surface feels cluttered. Toward the rear, a small kitchenette is tucked neatly into a corner. Its minimalist countertop and compact appliances make it easy to prepare simple meals, while the lighting above casts a cozy halo over the work area. This balance of utility and ambiance transforms the camper into more than just a mode of travel, it becomes a small sanctuary on wheels. The interplay between interior and exterior is intentional. The large windows, when closed, maintain privacy through lightly tinted glass, while still allowing in light. When open, they transform the space into an airy lounge, perfect for enjoying a breeze on a still evening. The sliding door acts as both a visual and physical bridge between the two worlds, reinforcing the idea that this vehicle is equally at home in the heart of the city or on a quiet stretch of countryside. Every element of the tricycle has been designed with a forward-thinking approach. Its electric powertrain promises quiet, eco-conscious travel, while its compact footprint allows for easy navigation through urban streets or narrow scenic routes. The rounded contours and seamless paneling not only enhance aerodynamic efficiency but also give it an approachable, friendly personality, something rarely achieved in functional vehicle design. In the calm setting of the studio,